Here is Tom and me, and we're making now a boat trip. Yeah. And what I want to know also is what is your name?
Jeannie.
Jeannie.
Yeah.
Really? Oh, we have a favorite, famous song from Falco. Jeannie.
Also, there's Janie in the bottom.
Ah, yeah.
Janie, what's the problem? You know that song?
No. We are now going to the boat with Fidel Castro. So here we are on the beach. What is the name of this beach here?
Bounty Beach.
Really?
Yeah.
Bounty Beach. Sounds good.
Yeah.
This is my friend Bruno. We see us later. Huh? We haven't seen us for 30 years. Huh? Oh my God. I found you. We're entering the boat for the boat trip. So now we start here the boat trip. Nice resort. This is our boat driver, Eni. Eni.
Yeah.
Nice to meet you. What we're doing is an island hopping trip. Beautiful here, it's the water so clear. Wow, this is wonderful. Oh my God, this is so beautiful. We go swimming now. So these here are the Taki Islands. Very nice. Snorkeling, nice fish underwater. Rockies to do cliff jumping. 15 meters. Huh? Wow.
것 같아 내게 다가와줘 어서 내게 키스를 해줘 오늘 이 밤이 내게 너무 소중해 내게 장난치지 마 다가와 my baby girl I need you girl Stay here lady I need you girl Save me lady I need you girl Stay here lady I need you girl Save me lady I need you girl Baby come on baby Just to my world talking to my eyes alone I need you girl Stay here lady I need you girl Save me lady I need you girl Come on baby let's go party time to let it go You are my only you girl Baby girl 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 girl
Have to bring the boats into the water. Ah, yes, they're cleaning still here the rest from the typhoon. Here is already the next beach. Ah, yes. Now, these are the defect boats from the typhoon from 25 of December. Yes, you heard well. This was the Christmas day. So this was the present from God to the people. First place I did not believe, but now we see. They repaired the boats to get them in the water again. This was the result of the typhoon Ursula. the toilet. And karaoke! Are you Superman? Internet cafe. And how are you? So here we are. Soon we eat soup. This was it for today, folks. I hope you enjoyed this video from my birth boat trip here in Malapascua Island with my friend Tong, and we enjoyed this so much. This was a spontaneous idea of him, and so we paid for the boat trip. It was about 3 hours, 1,500 peso. This means 750 peso each, and I think it was wonderful. We enjoyed it so much, folks. When you like my channel, please subscribe, stay tuned for more videos, and thumbs up. Bye bye until my next video, maybe tomorrow.